Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to set up autosave in Excel. Open your workbook, go to File, choose Options, then Save and enable autosave or adjust auto-recover intervals. Save to OneDrive or SharePoint for autosave to work automatically. Set minutes to 1 or 10 based on preference and test editing to confirm saves. Repeat on other devices for consistent protection and keep backups offline for extra safety. Autosave is a simple way to protect your work without thinking about it, and it keeps version history for easy recovery. For collaborative files, OneDrive or SharePoint keeps everyone synced and reduces conflicting copies. Choose a save interval that fits your workflow and file size to avoid performance slowdowns. Test your settings by making small edits and using version history to restore a previous state if needed. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick tech tips. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is a lovely compact reader to relax your eyes after long Excel sessions, with crisp text and long battery life, making it a small treat for productive days. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If autosave won't turn on, first ensure the file is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint and you are signed in. Update Excel to the latest build and restart the app if syncing seems stalled. For stubborn files, save a copy to the cloud and reopen it to force autosave. Always test by making a small edit, then use version history to restore if something went wrong, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.